If you are tired of attracting patients who don't show up, cancel the last minute, and always complain about the fees and the price, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can attract the right patients for your clinic and for your hospital. So watch this video till the end. And before we start, I quickly tell about myself. Hi, my name is Nishu and I'm into healthcare from last 15 years. I helped over 500 doctors, clinics and hospital to grow their practice with right strategies and right intent. So let's deep dive into the concept. Now let's understand the first concept on how to get more patients ethically. The first thing is, let's understand the high cost of wrong patients, because it's not the loss of only revenue, it's also the loss of your staff time who was like following up with the patient. The second is, it's emotional drain for you and for your team. And the last one is, if the patient is not coming or the wrong patients you are attracting, that means it is an opportunity cost of the ideal patient who could not get that particular slot. And what I feel the real problem for lot of hospitals and clinic, it's not a volume problem. It's actually a patient fit problem. And more marketing does not mean you will get the right patient, because the right strategies only give you the right patients. The third thing is the mindset shift. That means attracting the value aligned patients. First of all, stop chasing anyone who can actually pays you. Attract only those patients who actually values you, because this is a problem a lot of clinic and hospitals are doing. They keep on chasing those who they think they can pay them. But please try and understand, only try to attract those patients who are aligned with your value system. Like, these are the traits of the value aligned patients. First is, they show up for the consultations, they follow the plans which you are sharing to them, they pay easily, and also they refer other. The second thing is, I want if you can create ideal patient profile for you. That means it is not only about demography, it is also like match with your mindset and with your value system. And if you don't have any value system, then trust me, you will not be able to attract the right patients for your clinic or for your hospital. And now, the next part is ethical, because that is the mindset which you need to have when serving the patients. Because ethical is, you need to be clear fit for those patients who are coming to you. How you can craft your messaging for your ideal patients. The first one is, right patient feels this is for me. And that is the power of messaging, because there you filter out the wrong patients who feel maybe this doctor or this clinic is not for me. And you know what? Both reactions win. Speak to a specific person or specific problem. Try not to say everyone is my patient, because that is what a lot of confusion creates in your head. Then lead with the outcome, then back it with your credentials. Because when you are showcasing your patient stories, you are showcasing actually the case studies, that is when you are leading, where your ideal patients are hiding. Because it is very important to find your patients as well, and you should know where they are. So for that, you can create your Google business profile. Second is, you should be present on social platforms, and at least choose one platform. I recommend for healthcare, YouTube is the best platform from where you can get patient and you will create your authority. Third one is, try to create educational content, because that is what teaching and educating patients will give you the trust magnet. And that is how a lot of clinics and hospitals are growing. I'm not talking about the corporate hospitals. I'm talking about the small hospitals, 100 bed, 200 bed, which are run by doctors. They are creating their authority by creating educational content. So building trust and authority is very important for patient before they book, because you can showcase this thing by using patient stories and outcomes. You can also answer the questions patients are already searching on Google. And you can use both the platform. You can use videos as platform, you can also use content as platform. And I request each one of you to only take ethical way to encourage and get reviews, because patient, before they're entering to your clinic or to your hospital, they are very clear like where they are going, because now they are educated. So you also need to make sure you are building your trust and authority before even they are calling you for an appointment. If you want to learn these things into details, and the action plan is very simple. And now, if you want to go deep into the concepts, I request you to join my next masterclass, in which I'm gonna tell you how you can find your ideal patient, how you can attract and convert them, and the last and the most important point is how you can retain your patients, because the way the patients are now using AI, the way the information and the knowledge is available to each and everyone. So you need to be different. You need to also understand how you can actually leverage this AI, and how you can attract the right patients, so that you can grow your clinic or your hospital. And if you like this video, if you are here till the end, I want to give you a free gift. So I am giving you the link to join my free masterclass in the description. You can click on the description and just register now. And I see you inside the masterclass very soon. Thank you so much.